Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix no sound or text message alert on iPhone. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. How to fix this issue? So you have and you have facing this problem with an iPhone. So first of all, if you have restarted your iPhone, so then you have press the volume up button, press the volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restarted. Then if is your problem will be fixed. If there are first solution is not working, there second solution, you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on sound and haptics. So you have check the ringer and alerts. So here is a clearly full on your iPhone. So then second solution is not working, there third solution, you have turn off Bluetooth. So you have turn on by the time you have must be turned off Bluetooth on your iPhone. Then third solution is not working, their fourth solution, you have turn off do not disturb mode on your iPhone. So then methods of turn off do not disturb mode. So then you have open the setting, click on focus, click on do not disturb mode. I have already turned off, then you must be turned off. And then second method, so you have open the control center, so then you have click on focus, so you turn off from there. So then fourth solution is not working, there fifth solution, you have reset our setting. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, and then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. If there are fifth solution is not working, there's last solution, you have update iOS latest version. So you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you have must be update your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.